Well everybody, welcome back to a fresh YouTube video. The main man Dino's here. I hope you all been doing alright. We haven't put anything on for about a week, no, about 5 days or something I think. Been very quiet on our side anyway, I'll tell you that. I don't know what it's like where you are, but been very quiet. I'll just show you a few bits that we have picked up. Here's my old 15-year-old lurcher. Buddy, come on, good lad. He's getting old now, his lad. Anyway, custom 63 reg. Back pressure on the engine. 6-speed box. Let's put his dog in. Come on, bud. Look at little gets. Bloody dogs. Who'd have them? But yeah, custom. James and John have bought it. They're picking it up today. Old plumber's van, I think it were. Done 200. But yeah, them lads will break that and get some decent money for it for parts. I know engines, even recon, spares and repairs do good money out of these, so they do alright off it. Part rack on it. So if you need any bits off them, check them boys out. Baxenden car breakers, they'll be breaking this in the coming weeks. Show you this. Still got the bloody courser. The amount of messes I can't do with them. That's why I hate selling things on public in the bin. I'll have it, mate. 400 or 500 quid. Never even come to look at it. Just does my ringing. Anyway, Citroen C3 on a 10 reg VTR plus 1.4. It's had a wing and a doper on it. The lady who had it hit a bollard at a car wash or something, but clutch has started to slip. It's done 75,000. I've sold that to father-in-law. He'll sort the clutch out and sell it on as a cheap car, like, you know, under £1,000 or something. I don't know. Luke will be up in a minute with Chrisette there. Luke's bought a Picasso, I think, somewhere. I don't know whereabouts it is. So we're going to get that this morning. What am I going to do? I've got an antique booth in an antique shop now over in Rottenstall, where I've been selling up some of my bits off. So I've been getting all that ready as well. Just a bit of extra income coming in. Me and Chrissy did a garage clearance the other day over in Sabden. We've got a bit of scrap out of there, which is just run-of-the-mill stuff. Some car booty type auction items as well. A bit of non-ferrous here, battery, aluminium and some brass. It all weighs in. Some ladders, they'll just get scrapped. Got about 50 pairs. So yeah, we'll wait till the messers turn up in a minute and we'll have a quick brew and we'll organise today and let's get some money made, guys. Right, I've just been down the pen to sort the pigeons out. Luke and Chris are still not here. It's about 9 o'clock now. Messes. Luke's curtains are shut and Chrissy said he's stuck on bus. What do you reckon, guys? Give him some stick in the comments. And don't forget, keep subscribing. It costs you nothing. All you gotta do is just sign in and click subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing and it helps the channel, which is the main thing, and bringing more content for you guys. So yeah, so when they've come, I think we're just gonna get these cars dropped off, wait till James and John comes and picks this up, and hopefully something else will come in. Because it's been a little bit busy, if I'm honest with you know, on the car side anyway. Like I said, there's not much content coming when there's no cars, so we'll get there anyway. I want to give a shout out as well to a chap on his YouTube. Must been watching all his videos, called Richard Place. He's been commenting on every video. How are you doing, pal? But yeah, if you want a shout out, let us know and we'll give you one up next video. Right folks, your main man is here now. We just took the car off up at my father-in-law's. Down there, he's just bought that Smiley, my father-in-law. He's up for sale. I think he wants up near £1,000 for it. No MOT on it, wants a patch of welding. Luke's just having a quick wash. Messers, what time is it now? Look at this time. 9:42. What time do you call this?
Late, aren't I?
Why are you late?
Fell back asleep.
But you can't keep falling back asleep. It's not on.
Neck, shoulder.
Never mind your neck. You need to apologise to your viewers.
Sorry, it won't happen again. Okay.
Give us some stick in the comments, people. Tell them to stop. Tell them to get off the nest and get some bloody work done.
I'm honest.
Yeah, I bet you have. Show me your neck. Is it clean? For once, you little pervert. Right, let's get home now and meet our Luke.
Well, I'm here. I've been bollocked 5 or 10 minutes late, maybe an hour. You know what I mean? It's one of
10
those.
past 10 it is.
It's an hour between brothers. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So it is what it is. I'm like I'm on my summer holidays, coming little lads off. So that's what you're using for my excuse anyway. What are you saying, Chris? You've been slagging me off as well. Well, I've not been here. You sure?
Sure, yeah.
Right, getting this one dropped off here now, and we've got a Citroen Picasso to go and pick up. That's just diesel or petrol, but there's no key. Well, they were keys, lost the keys, so we're just going to end up smashing steering like and dragging that one on. We'll show you on that one. Right, this is the one, all 3 plate petrol. We've already brought windows to get in. We had to break the little passenger window there to open window for. We'll open back door. The back doors weren't opening to get the baby seats out. There's a bit of a pump in here, so we'll have that. We'll give it baby seats. You don't want it else, so we'll have the old pump. Chris is getting toyed. I am. And let's see if we can snap the steering lock. Between 3 of us, we might be able to snap this, Dean.
Yeah, we'll sort
And we'll straighten these wheels. Chris, you gonna get it down with this? Let's see if me and Chris can see if we can move this wheel around. Right, towards me, Bill. Oh. That's it, we're doing it. Oh. Oh. A bit more. How's that? There we go, look at that. Who needs the steering lock? Come on, you right, go on. Bit of change. A little bit of shrapnel. Every little helps. Then it's a menace badge. We might have to straighten these wheels up, we're on a bit of an angle. You need turning?
Huh?
You need turning, Dean, are you alright? Does it need turning a bit, is it alright? Yeah, we're on, I think. There's no messing around with it, Chris, with locks.
Main man team, aren't
Chris the main man. Yeah, so we'll get this bit of shrapnel in. Have a quick route out the car. 1 minute. Is it all bunching up at one side? Is all the winch bunching up at one side?
Yeah, we'll have to part to put it on the side.
Right. Let us back out a bit. Pull a bit out. Go on. Yeah, go on. Sit in car with foot up brake and in gear. While they mess around with that. Sorted? Yeah, winch roll bunching up at one side into a big knot, into a big ball. See how this goes. There we go, just put it on the other wish for me right now. John D. What's on there, bud? Pump that. Yeah. Put that in our cab. Put that in our cab, a pump. They always come in handy then. Have a quick route arounder. Kids bouncy ball, old rubbish boxes. No. Some of these used to have a tray underneath. No, I didn't want to do that one. Anyway, right, we'll get this one to James and John's. You got Dean? I'll drive if you want, bud.
Well, there's messers and then there's ultimate messers. And he is ultimate. Oi, pal. Come on! He is a messer, isn't he? Chris is just getting the strap off. You got it stuck, pal. Just give it. Good car, that. There's not a car on road as good as that.
Can't bring us some half-decent ones.
No.
Oh,
Whoa!
what are those?
You know what I mean? Take wave it, Miles. I will take that.
Oh, I
winch
can
off.
hear you then.
Good car, that.
Mate, it's a shed, right? Is there any rubbish in the back,
No,
Chris, here?
no, no, no,
I
no.
bet there's rubbish in the back. Oh, I can already see it.
No, no.
It's bloody empty living room, hasn't it?
Extra weight in it for you boys. How are you doing? Busy?
Yeah, busy.
Good.
Can't get on top of the scrap.
No?
Literally, I can't.
Have you not come in to go come back?
It's just all scrappers. No, not
Nothing at all?
No.
Have a word. He's always on his phone, right? And
Bloody hell, Chris, come on, start doing your TikTok.
ask him what time he got in today to
What
work.
time do you get in? 3 o'clock? I've seen Chrissy on TikTok. Do you know that when they do them little TikTok dances? I've seen you doing it.
Yeah, he does it.
Oh, man,
He loves it.
dying here.
Hey, pal.
How's everyone doing, John?
All right.
Oh, God. Mate, what are those?
They're a 40 quid as them.
Bloody hell.
Sports Direct
Mate, it looks
special,
like-
boys.
You look like you've ran through Cheetah Mill with super glue on that.
You've turned up with more here, look.
Oh, yeah, there's messes. Oh, when you're
Just
picking his
two.
custom up, your messes.
No, they've got our van, haven't they? We're trying to like hold off as long as we can. In fact, no, ask Chris now. No, Brad.
That's Brad. Brad's all right.
Yeah, Brad is all right.
Yeah.
It's bloody failed its MOT again, hasn't it?
I can bring one over. James, I can bring one over.
Oh, can you get them or not?
Bring the van.
Can you bring the van? I've got your present at home as well.
Whoa!
No, he's my mate. No,
My present.
no, he's my mate. He looks after us.
Bloody, I don't want to know what you two get up to when you're bloody. I
Right.
just remember seeing Brad coming out of Deansbury pulling his pants up. I thought, what's he just been doing?
And they're ours as well. We just brought them in.
What batteries?
Yeah.
they're all
How
ours.
much do you want? 200 quid a ton?
Yeah, we'll take that.
Ah, busting nice one, lad.
Right, I'm going to jump at office now and get this Picasso booked in because they're going to give it double price or something today. Any cars,
It'll be a day before you get paid.
any
John,
cars
that's
coming
all
today? You
good.
said you're paying double price, aren't you?
Yeah, but buy one get one free.
Yeah. Right.
So bring something heavy in.
See you soon.
Right, we're going to get this sorted, get this off to James and John's. I had tons of interest on TikTok with it. People wanted to buy it and stuff like that. But we'd said it's sold anyway. We've had loads of people on there saying, well, I'd come for it, and no one turned up for it, so it's going in bid. That's the end of the old VRS, so we're not messing about. Dean's wife's out with it, so he's got the key for it in the house, so he's going on with no key. Eh? Shopping, not spending Dean's money. Well, it might make her a bit more rare now, one less VRS on the road. Yeah, probably. One second, crack the strap off. 1 minute. Right there, she's on. We'll get it strapped up, we'll get this one over to the Baxenden. Then they're going to come for the Transit, which Dina showed you earlier. They're coming for that tomorrow now. And we've got a bit of scrap from a unit we used to pick up from, which we used to do up scrap, a wagging place. We've got their skip to go and empty, some batteries to weigh in. So, let's see if we can get a bit of footage in scrapyard if they'll let us film. Alright, we'll get over there.
Well, a little warning light come on the dash for a bit of water, so she's getting topped up.
Give it a bit of a drink, it's been warm on it.
Yeah.
First time I've had this bonnet up in years.
You can tell, look at all the cobwebs.
Even water cap have cobwebs on it the same. It's your first, eh? Really, it should be coolant. People are going to say it should be putting coolant, but
Alright, don't worry about it.
what's free in it? What's free?
Put some in there, top that up as well, you might as well. Screen wash. Been a good old girl, hasn't she? Eh?
I don't want to say out because it'll end up breaking down.
That's right, we've got a spare one up there.
No, she has. Go and start her up, Chris, and listen how sweet this engine is.
Hi, hello. Not bad for 430,000 miles. Beautiful.
Didn't use a drop of oil neither.
She's a money maker. Right. Please, please, please in the comments will you give these Baxenden lads some stick? Honestly, because they are messes. Full to the brim messes. Especially Miles on forklift. Give him some stick. So, right. Let's get this VRS over there and get it scrapped. Right, we're back home. On the way back, we've managed to buy this old Peugeot, what has been sat here for months, off one of the neighbours. So I think we've previously owned this before. Chris is going now to get the key off him. So this is a template 207 petrol thing. I don't think it's MOT on it anymore, but you know what we're going to say, it's going in the bin, boys.
Have we owned that car before, Dee?
Yeah, we have, yeah.
I think so, hasn't it?
No, I picked it up from Colin about, it must be 6 months ago now.
I think, no, it's probably got to be longer than that.
Maybe.
It's been there 6 months, isn't it? It's a boomerang car.
Well,
This time it won't be coming back.
no. And we'll make a bit of profit out of it.
So first profit's the best profit. Of
course it is. So after that's done, I've got, like I said, I think Luke mentioned, I've got to go down to the unit. Someone's coming for some timber, an electrician wants to come and have a look in.
I told him earlier we're going to be moving to the wagon yard we used to pick scrap before.
Yeah.
Skipper, metal and some batteries for
Yeah, we'll get that gone.
backyard.
And then I'm going to...
Here,
This crap. Gardening tools, it's all rotten stuff.
Bags and
Bags of that belt buckle things or something, aren't they?
bags and stuff. Random shite.
You got it, Chris?
Yeah.
Chris has got it. Let's get the old...
Top Don will work it.
Get it sorted, pal. Should do.
It's going to start people, yes or no. It's been here for easily 6 months.
Big screw there. Wait for it tyre.
Smells nice under here for some reason. It smells from the engine, smells nice. Smells like...
Well, I've got all the boot. Fair bonnet.
The hood.
Pop the hood.
On 25% this old girl, it's not been charged. Go on, Chris.
Easy.
Give it a good rev. Top Don strike to the end. Yeah, 3,000.
Right, pull it out, Chris. Have to give it a bit of a rev because it'll be stuck. Flat tyres. Easy as that, another one for the bin. You reckon he'll get it on first time or not?
Probably not.
Right, let's pull these ramps out, let's get it loaded up. Right, let's see if Christy can get this on without stalling it. Get it comments. Get in the comments. Oh, he's on with it now, he knows crack now, he's done it. Right, we're going to get it strapped up and took to the scrapyard. Are you proud of yourself?
Name boy on her.
Right, get it strapped up and we'll get it over to the yard. Well folks, it's a rare sight. The ultimate messer, he has to do some work.
The boss has to friggin'...
Look, he's got dirty hands, look.
Eh?
No good, is it?
At least it'll be the safest.
Well, don't be jinxing yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, you're through there, you should be alright. As easy as that, folks. That's the Peugeot off. So that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to keep commenting, liking, subscribing. Don't forget it's free, just hit that subscribe button and help us out. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, everyone.